Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can install WordPress locally on Windows for beginners from scratch. So the tools that you need is SAM, so just head over to the official website and then from there you want to download it and open up the application. From here you want to start up Apache and MySQL. From there, just head over to wordpress.org, click on Get WordPress, and then you want to download the official WordPress folder right here. From there, you then want to simply open up WordPress, copy the folder, and then you want to head over into your local path, navigate through htdocs or SAMP, htdocs, and from here you then want to go ahead and paste your WordPress. Extract the files inside htdocs, and right after that, you just want to go ahead and click on the admin on MySQL. From here, we are then going to create a database for our WordPress. So once inside, just click on New. Go ahead and name your database. In my case, I'm going to be naming it WordPress. Click on Create. And from there, you then want to head over to the htdocs folder. Right after, you just want to head over back to your local host. And then you want to go ahead and type the name of your WordPress database. In my case, it's just WordPress. Hit on enter. And from there, you will then be taken to this page. Now, if you then go ahead and have this problem right here, you want to make sure that you have entered the correct name. And so right after, all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate back to your WordPress database. Copy the WordPress file right here, and then you want to paste it back to htdocs. Now you want to make sure that the file name is WordPress. Since my file name is already WordPress right here, all I have to do is to go ahead and delete my database or SQL, which is WordPress 681. Go ahead and refresh your SQL right here. And you want to make sure to once again put the correct name on your local host. Right after, we will then be taken to the installation path, or installation of WordPress into our machine. So let's just wait for the page to load in. And as you can see right here, it's going to be localhost WordPress admin. So from there, we have successfully installed WordPress locally on Windows. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.